Welcome to Oaktree Cottage. This is certainly a property you do not want to miss. Let's take a look inside. So in through the main door, through the back garden, and as you can see, a really great, spacious hallway and some really nice storage here. So in through the main door, we go through into the dining room. As you can see, all the doors are oak, and this is a really great family space with bifold doors off into the garden. Okay, so through into the living room. And in here, you can't feel it, but it's lovely and cozy, really nice and warm, and a great feature fireplace with log burner. And at the center of any home, you've got an amazing kitchen with a huge island, built-in dishwasher, wine fridge, and the Cuisine Master gas cooker. So to make this kitchen even more of a focal point of a family home, you've got a great lounge space, log burner, and the double doors out to the back garden. So for any family, this is a fantastic space. It really is utilised. We've got a sauna here to the back. You've got a garage there, and just off the side there, another bathroom. Right, if you'd like to follow me, we'll go through to the master bedroom. So in here, as you can see, you've got huge built-in wardrobes, a bed easily fitting a king-size bed, and the ensuite over to the side there. Dual aspect windows overlooking the garden. So to the left, you've got bedroom number 4, nice and cozy there with a window overlooking the back garden. So going into a very spacious 3rd bedroom with ensuite here to the side, lovely view over the garden, and as you can see, you've got the canal just over there. So over on the east side of the property, you've got a nice large window, and again a bedroom with ample space for a king-size bed. So here we're in the family bathroom with a 3-piece suite and double shower. So as you can see, we've got a really good entertaining space here, great for those summer days and barbecues. And for those seeking a little bit of luxury, we've got a fantastic space here for a nice big hot tub. And last but not least, for the garden, we've got a really good low maintenance artificial grass area and the gate leading out to the garage. And just a 2-minute walk down the road, you've got this lovely canal with a bit of better weather. You might enjoy some walks on the weekend.